If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
This is a quick video showing which is the best liquid fertilizer for boosting up your plant growth. So if you see this bowl, you'll see that there are a lot of sediments underneath. These are nothing but fish poop. I have retrieved this water from my fish bowl, and after changing the water, I haven't discarded it. I have kept it because I'll use it for my gardening. I have done this before, and this is the best enriched liquid fertilizer that you can find, almost free of cost, because otherwise this water would have gone waste. If you remember, I had germinated nasturtium seeds, so I'll be adding this water over here to see how it speeds up the germination. I'll add this water and let it soak up. It will soak up very fast because this cocoa peat was dry over here. I'll do the same with this hanging planter of nasturtium which I had made in a previous video. So